Properties widget. We've already discussed both the Translation Finder and Timeline widgets. Now let's take a closer look at the Properties widget. The Properties widget displays a wealth of meta information for each segment in each of the available languages. You can make this information available by activating any segment. Simply click into the desired segment to gain more context. You are able to access data not just for the source or target languages, but also any of the other languages attached to the project. Under Segment, you will see both the labels attached to the segment as well as any additional context that is given. The Context section is especially useful for translation of websites and apps. It can list the function of a segment, such as whether the text is for a website header, button, or plain text. Under each of the languages, you will see detailed information related to the specific language segment, such as segment ID, status, and bookmarks. You can also see if the segment is locked, who the last editor was, and when the last change occurred. Under the source language, you will see which document it belongs to and any labels that have been applied. This information can be extremely useful at all stages of the workflow, as it provides important data at a glance. The Properties widget is refreshed automatically as you move between segments. If your account has the necessary permissions, you may be authorized to edit the properties. Click on the Edit Object button to open the View Edit Segment menu. Here, you can make changes to the source segment and any available target segments. Here too, you have access to the Properties widget. It displays the same information as seen before. You can make edits by clicking on the Toggle Editor Mode button in the bottom right-hand corner. From here, you can add, change, and even remove labels. And you can view and, if enabled, add or change custom context fields. Of course, access to these depends on your rights. As always, don't forget to select Save if you've made any changes to the Properties widget. You can switch between the available languages on the far left side of the screen. This will display the segment and meta information for only the selected language. Regardless of which language you choose, in the right-hand panel, you always have access to all available language information. You also have access to the other two widgets we've discussed in previous videos. This gives you access to translation hits, machine translations, comments made by other suppliers, and details about revisions made during the whole workflow process.